Good morning to all of you. In the previous two videos, we have been reading the lesson on saying please, in which Gardiner is talking about the importance of courtesy and politeness. In the previous videos, we have read the passage that I see no reason why lesser people should not take lessons in conflict from one who shows how a very modest calling may be dignified by good temper and kindly feeling. Up till this, we have read in the previous videos, and I hope you have understood up till this. Now, in the last paragraph, the writer Gardiner is speaking about the gist and the summary of the lesson, where he speaks about the importance of the courtesy. Let us read and understand about it. It is a matter of general agreement that the war has had a chilling effect upon those little everyday civilities of behavior that sweeten the general air. We must get those civilities back if we are to make life kindly and tolerable for each other. So it is the matter of general agreement that war has a very bad effect or chilling effect on those people uh, of everyday's activities because of the bad behaviors. And if you have the courteous and polite behavior, it definitely sweetens the general air. And if you have forgotten all those civilities and politeness and courteous manners, you should bring them back so that the everyday life will be kind and tolerable for each other. We cannot get them back by invoking the law, but law cannot bring it back because there is no law for it. The policeman is a necessary symbol, and the law is a necessary institution for a society that is still somewhat lower than the angels. Now, in the society, we have some laws and we have the police system or judiciary system, but it is only the symbolic kind of system which cannot bring back the courtesy, but is still somewhat lower than the angels. Means here it means it is less than perfect. Okay, it is not a perfect situation or for perfect system, but the law can only protect us against a material attack. Nor will the liftman's way of meeting moral affront by physical violence help us to restore the civilities. Now, the liftman and his moral affront, or whatever morally he had tried to behave with the passenger, if he had been physically violated or physically beaten, it will not help us to restore our civilities. I suggest to him that he would have had a more subtle and effective revenge if he had treated the gentleman who would not say please with elaborate politeness. So, however, that liftman has given the treatment to the passenger that he just thrown him out of the lift. Instead of that, he would have given or he would have taken the revenge or treated that gentleman in a different manner, or with a little bit more politeness or with a elaborate politeness. Then the effect might have been different on the passenger as well as on the society, and on the liftman also. He would have had the victory not only over the boor but over himself, and that is the victory that counts. Now, if that liftman had treated that person politely, or he might have reacted in a different way, in a courteous manner, he would have got the victory, not only over the his rudeness or the bad intentions, but over himself also. And that victory will be counted, means that will be more important than the physical assault or the uh, physical victory over that situation. The polite man may lose the material advantage, but he always has the spiritual victory. I command I commend to the Lippmann a story of Chesterfield. In his time, the London streets were without the pavements of today, and the man who took the wall had the driest footing. Sorry, see this. He had given the example of Chesterfield, where in London at that time there were no pavements like today, and the man who had taken the wall had the driest foot. I never give the wall to the scoundrel, said a man who met Chesterfield one day in the street. I always do, said Chesterfield, means the man who had got the wall to walk on the road. He means he was taking the help of a wall to walk on the road. Uh, Here, the Chesterfield said that he will not give the wall or give the support to the scoundrel people or to the people who are bad behaved, but he will definitely give the support to the well behaved and polite people. Stepping with a bow into the road, I hope the Lipman will agree that his revenge was much more sweet than if he had flung the fellow into the mud. So here also the Lipman's revenge would have been more sweet than he had flung that person out of the lift. If uh, the Lipman had treated that person politely, the revenge might have been different, as well as the situation and the effects of that behavior would have been different, and it would have been a greater victory on the side of the Lipman as well as on the side of a human being. As a human being, it would have been a good victory on the people when the people behave in a good way. So this is the thing about on saying please. So you just go through the lesson once again and try to understand and solve the assignment which will be provided to you later on.